आणि यापुढे आपण बघणार आहोत पंतप्रधान नरेंद्र मोदी यांनी आज इन्फिनिटी फोरमचं उद्घाटन केलं. या पार्श्वभूमीवर त्यांनी जनतेला देखील संबोधित केलं आणि याच कार्यक्रमात रिलायन्स इंडस्ट्रीजचे सीएमडी मुकेश अंबानी यांचा विशेष सहभाग होता. यावेळी संबोधित करताना त्यांनी देशातील डिजिटल क्रांतीवर महत्त्वपूर्ण असं भाष्य केलंय. देशात डिजिटलायझेशन अत्यंत वेगानं होत आहे आणि कोट्यवधी जनतेला त्याचा लाभ होत असल्याचं ते म्हणालेत. बघूयात या विशेष कार्यक्रमात रिलायन्स इंडस्ट्रीजचे सीएमडी मुकेश अंबानी यांनी केलेलं भाष्य.
The fintech industry, of course, has grown leaps and bounds. And I'm conscious that the Infinity Forum is focusing on fintechs. So I'm going to ask you this last question. We talked about crypto, we talked about Web 3.0 and the metaverse and this boundaryless global world. What do you think will be the next convergence? What will propel the growth of fintech? And I actually want to say human tech.
Absolutely, Anjali. I think that the opportunity in terms of conversion, right, is, in my view, finance really is at the heart of everything. And we have not digitized finance into its full potential. I believe we are at very early stages of sporadic digitization. And the opportunity, as I see all these technologies emerging, is the opportunity to make sure that we actually adopt a decentralized model of finance. Right? We have evolved over the last 100 years in organized finance through a very centralized model. And I still believe that there will be centralized government and central bank policies, but there will be a path to a very decentralized technological solutions where finance will be enabled and available to everybody. Right? It will not be, today we have a world where it's still a world where people like, large companies get easier finance, small companies don't get easier finance, same thing with people. And I think that will change. I also think that what will happen is that convergence, so there, as I see, real-time technologies are there. And there is no reason, it's great that we have moved from T+7 to T+2 and T+1, but I am a big believer in real time. So everything will settle in real time. Smart contracts will become real. Blockchain is a technology I believe in, and it's different from crypto in terms and I think that smart tokens, making sure that you are creating transactions that can never be changed, right, is a very important framework for a just and trust-based transactions and trust-based society, which is a prerequisite for all of us. So I think that the convergence of real time, the convergence of the distributed ledger and blockchain technology, smart tokens, right, the convergence of physical and digital through IoT will enable and will redefine the decentralized financial sector in a way that we have never imagined. And I think this is happening in the coming 10 years. And again, this will be a prerequisite to great economic growth, because this is how, and we've just seen it now in terms of saying that how we could never imagine that India would have startups, right, that would be funded. And even just 5 years ago, Anjali, if you had asked, we'd say today there is more money chasing people, and we are short of ideas. And I'm sure that all our young people will come up with more and more ideas, because there are still many, many problems to be solved in the world. So, and I think that it is time for Gift City, the infrastructure and the vision with which Gift City was created, not only to enable technology and innovation, right, in India, but also to be a gateway to the rest of the world in terms of
आणि यानंतर या बुलेटिनमध्ये आपण इथेच थांबणार आहोत. जाताना महत्त्वाची आठवण, नाक आणि तोंड पूर्णपणे कव्हर होईल अशा रीतीने मास्कचा वापर कराल, जेणेकरून तुम्ही सुरक्षित राहू शकाल. या सगळ्या बातम्यांचे व्हिडिओ फेसबुक आणि ट्विटरवर, तर या सगळ्या बातम्यांचे अपडेट बघता, पण यूट्यूबवर आमच्या चॅनलवर तिथे या सगळ्या बातम्यांचे व्हिडिओज तुम्ही पाहू शकाल. तिथे सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. बातम्यांच्या अपडेटसाठी पहा फक्त न्यूज 18 लोकमत.